Today, we're going to have some fun.
by turning your voice into a squeaky, high-pitched chipmunk effect right inside CapCut.
Let's get started. First, make sure your voice clip or any audio is added to the timeline. You can use a voiceover, a recorded dialogue, or even imported audio. Now, tap on the audio clip and from the bottom toolbar, select Voice Effects. You'll see a bunch of fun presets. Swipe over to the Voice Characters category. Here, choose Chipmunk. CapCut will instantly process the effect, giving your voice that classic Alvin and the Chipmunks vibe. But we're not stopping there. Tap on the effect again to access two important sliders. Pitch. This controls how high or low the voice sounds. Slide it to the right for an even squeakier tone, or left to soften it. This adjusts the quality of the voice. It helps you make the chipmunk voice sound sharper or rounder based on your style. Play around with both sliders until it sounds just right. Once you're happy, hit play to preview and you're done.
Your chipmunk voice is ready to entertain. This trick is perfect for comedy videos, animated storytelling, or just adding a quirky twist to your content.
If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips right here on the channel.